It's been a crazy week for Pixel leaks, and they don't seem to be stopping. We have a ton of newly leaked promo videos, and leaked official cases. We saw marketing materials containing what could be the specs for the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Fold. We'll probably see even more leaks in the weeks leading up to the event. The Pixel 9 will come in obsidian, porcelain, rose, and green. And last week's Pixel 9 Pro XL is comparing it to the Pixel 9, which will be smaller than the 9 Pro XL. Now here is the Pixel 9 and Pixel 8 hands-on comparing videos, side by side. The official unveiling of the Pixel 9 series is a month from now, August 13th, and Google Pixel 9 spotted for the first time on Geekbench. Its Tensor G4 processor has one 3.10 GHz prime core, three 2.6 GHz performance cores, and four 1.95 GHz efficiency cores. It also comes with 8 and 12 GB of RAM. Pixel 9 series flat back panel and screen, Pixel 9 Pro matte back and glossy frames, Pixel 9 glossy back and matte frames. The source claims Pixel 9 will offer a 6.03-inch 120Hz OLED display, compared to the 6.1-inch Pixel 9 Pro and 6.5-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL. The other key difference on the vanilla Pixel 9 is the dual camera setup compared to the 3 shooters on both the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. It seems that Google may take a new approach with the Pixel 9 series by launching 3 device models at once. As with the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 series seems likely to receive 7 years of OS updates, meaning support up to 2031. Standard Pixel 9 could cost between $650 and $700. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.